think Sean got it from?
Funny. No, are you kidding? We were down there and he's like, that sounds good.
That's my D.
Knife, yeah.
That's my D. Ow, man, that's a knife.
That's right. Yeah.
That's a knife, dude.
Yeah.
Look, I'm already
Take credit for the look at the guy in the background.
Shut up.
He keeps staring at us and looking at the phone. He's like, should I call the cops now or should I get him later?
I kill you.
I'm gonna wait till they leave and then I'm gonna bust them.
There's a baby.
Man, you stabbed me with a knife.
Okay, kill you.
Shut up.
Okay. You won't get the.
You won't get the eggs. Hash.
Hello.
I get whatever you get. Your best two. Pick your best two and I'll get it. Alright.
Dude.
My best.